You know, sometimes when I'm talking to my gardening friends and we're discussing the various merits of plants, comparing one with the other and so on, often in the conversation the question will crop up, is it a good doer? Well, that may not be the best English in the world, but it certainly goes a long way to describe whether the plant does well or not. And if you're looking for a nice rhododendron that's a good doer, then let me show you this one. It's Rhododendron Polarnacht. Here's one that was bred in northern Germany by Hans Hackman way back in 1976. So it's one that's definitely stood the test of time. What's interesting about it is that this plant only gets to about 3 foot high and spreads out to be wider rather than tall. It'll make a clump of about maybe 5 or 6 foot wide. As you see, when the buds open here, they come out almost black, really dark purple black color. Then as they begin to emerge, you see that they come out with this lovely deep dark purple shade or purple. They have crinkly edges to the petals, and also if you look in closely, you'll see that the male parts of the flowers are white and contrast very nicely with the dark background, all on a rounded ball of flowers that is carried nice and prominently above dark green, very hardy, lush, evergreen, thick, leathery leaves. And that's one of the things that makes this a good doer, because the background genetics in this variety comes from a native species that grows in the Appalachian and Allegheny Mountains, crossed with a hybrid. It's a hybrid crossed with another species that grows in Mediterranean countries that's known for its toughness and reliability, Rhododendron ponticum. So in that background, the whole genetic makeup of this plant is tough and hardy and reliable, and that makes for a small plant that, as you see, puts on this terrific show. It can grow in a partially shaded site ideally. A woodland garden would be superb for it, but it'll also grow in beds and borders and will take a good degree of sun too, providing it's planted with lots of organic matter at its roots and not planted too deep. So if you're looking for a very nice, unusual, dark purple flowered variety that doesn't get too big, that's hardy and reliable, and is a very good doer, let me tell you that the one you're looking for is Rhododendron Polarnacht, or converted to English, translated, it means polar night.